Hi there, I just thought I would show you my T-60 from Miniart. Have a look at it next to the T-34. It's just a cute tiny little tank. It's cool, hey? Oh, relax would you? She's lost her pot. Alright, you can go out. I don't want to see you anymore. But anyway, look at that. What a cool tank. So the fit is really good. We'll take the top off here. I've started to do the interior. We'll get the base collars down, and I've glued in these walls here. They're all glued in, and these parts are all glued in. The engine's glued in, and I've started to put a bit of a wash on the engine and the transmission. And I'll detail up the other parts. So I've sort of been focusing on the engine there, and I've made a yellow fire extinguisher and a red one just to make it weird and unhistoric. And I did a sort of a brown seat, and I've done 4BO ammo with some sort of just metallic sort of clamping. And see, I've done the radiator in sort of like an iron metallic colour. You can see the back there. We try and get some better light. There we go. So I'll just do some washes on that. These two bays aren't seen, so it's not a full interior. And that's how it goes. It's a very awesome detailed kit. I've just put some mud on the Tiger tracks, just finishing up that, and the T-34 is getting its rust washes slowly, just doing it section by section. It's coming along well. It's coming along nicely. So just doing some details, first coat detailing. So there, coming along good. But yeah, this Miniart kit's really good. Miniart's #1. They make such awesome kits. And it's just this one here. They've got heaps of versions of it, so you can get heaps of different sticker, decals. But this one's really good because it's got the big red star that you can put on the top of the turret. That's why I got that one, just because of the big red star. But there's heaps of different ones you can get, and this is an earlier version one. But I'd like to do another one after this. I'm hooked on Miniart T-60s. Alright, I'll see you again soon.